With only 4 ingredients, let's make bread. What you'll need is 1.5 cups of warm water. The water needs to be warm in order to activate the instant yeast. You're going to use 1 packet of instant yeast, half a tablespoon of salt, and 3 1/4 cups of flour. Take the water, instant yeast, and salt and mix that up together first to get that to dissolve in the water. Then add in the flour. Go ahead and mix it with your fork. Once it's nice and mixed together, go ahead and take a silicone spatula and take it off of the fork. Finish mixing it up so that there's no flour on the sides until you get a nice little dough ball. And then you're going to take a kitchen towel and cover it. Let that rise for about 2 to 3 hours at room temperature. About 30 minutes to an hour before you're going to put your bread in the oven, go ahead and preheat the oven with the Dutch oven in it at 450 degrees. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe. Please leave a comment below. Let me know if you've tried it or if you have another recipe that you'd like me to try. I am wanting to try other recipes. I've tried this one so far though, and I really enjoy it, so I thought I'd share it. Once you're ready to get your bread into the oven, go ahead and lay a piece of parchment paper and sprinkle some flour on top. You're going to put your dough onto the flour, score the top of the bread, and then you'll place it into the Dutch oven with the lid on for about 35 minutes. Once the 35 minutes is up, you're going to take the lid off and put it back in the oven for another 5 to 10 minutes, or at least until the top is nice and golden brown. I like to place my bread on a cutting board to cool down. Once it's cooled down, I'll go ahead and cut it up into pieces, and then we'll toast the bread as we eat it. It comes out nice and crunchy and delicious. See you guys next time. Take care.